Hello guys, welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to review the Realme V30 phone. Okay, so this is also one of the best phone, and the price of this phone is expected 54,000 in Pakistan rupees, which is almost 120, 130, 140. I think 130 US dollars. Okay, the phone view is pretty much cool and better. And the next thing about it is let's talk about its features. Built in is Android 12 is and UI is a 3.0. Realme UI, okay, dimension is not mentioned and weight is also not mentioned in here. The next thing is a SIM is dual SIM standy by Nano. Color is dark night down gold, and the frequency is a 2G, 3G, and 4G bands. Okay. The next thing about is a technology is display. So let's talk about the display. Display is IPS LCD capacitive touch screen, 16 million colors, multi-touch. Let's talk about the size, which is a 6.53 inches. You can see here. Okay, and the next thing about it is resolution is a 720p, mean 1612 pixels to 70 ppi. Okay, and extra feature is 120 hertz. The memory is built in is a 128 GB built-in memory and 6 to 8 GB RAM in it. Okay, card is a micro SDXC, uses a shared SIM slot. Okay, main camera in it is a dual camera, which is a 13 megapixel and 8 megapixel LED flashlight. Okay, you can check it anywhere and you can check it here, and after it let's me talk about. Okay, so the next thing about its front camera, the first front camera is 5 megapixel and geotagging, face detection, touch, focus, panoramize, DR, everything is here. And the connectivity is blend Wi-Fi 802. Okay, and Bluetooth, GPS, USB, NFC, all thing you can check it here. The features is sensor, accelerometer, compass, fingerprint, sound mounted, gyro, proximity, and audio is 3.5 mm jack. Okay, and the most of the things is in which we get here is browser is HTML5, messaging SMS third wave, and gaming torch built in this phone we get here. Torch is, yes, we also get it here at torch. Okay, extra feature is a photo, video, data, document waiver, and capacitive. Let's talk about capacitive, which is LiPo, non-removable battery, 5000 mAh, battery charging 10 watt. In this phone we get a 10-watt battery fast charging mode. Okay, which is not a pretty much cool, but also according to its price it's a good choice. Okay, so the most thing of this phone demanding is its best thing is if they give us the super AMOLED or just AMOLED capacitor screen, which will be best in this price range, because the price of this phone is very high. Okay, you can check it, which is 54,000, and the features in this phone is like very low. Okay, because it's get only which is very low things. Okay, so the all things about this phone I mentioned here. Okay, and if you want, if I give you my own suggestion, in Pakistan there are very prices very high of price phones in previous some months. Okay, so I will suggest you to buy a second hand phone, so you can get these phones very in good prices. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and hit the like button, subscribe.